Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith Annacis Island. I'm a third-generation locksmith. My dad, my granddad were locksmiths, and I have an honors degree in criminology from Simon Fraser University. We are the locksmith near you in Annacis Island. If you need your locks rekeyed, change a lock, install deadbolts, high security locks, or you just lost the keys to your car or the keys are locked inside, give Mr. Locksmith a call. I have Automotive Locksmiths who all they do is make keys to cars, transport trucks and motorcycles. We have locksmiths available for any emergency you have. Give us a call. We'll take a look at your warehouse or your business there and give you ideas on how to lock up and prevent break-ins. One interesting thing, because of all the warehouses, is your overhead door or your garage door. You know, it's very, very simple to either bolt in the rail, or what we like is padlocks. Padlock your overhead door. Don't padlock it at the lock. Padlock it in the roller. And we just drill a hole, or there's holes already, and put a padlock in there. If they do bust into your warehouse, they're not going to take your stuff out the back door. So that's a bit of a problem in Annacis Island. We have lots of solutions to help you and increase your security. Give us a call, Mr. Locksmith, Annacis Island.